All right, that's gonna do it for this week's episode. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this week's video. I went for more of an ASMR style just to kind of feel it out. It was kind of fun to film it that way and to edit it that way, so let me know what you think. If you wanna support me in the channel, you can become a channel member by just clicking the join button, or you can get some of the new merch that we have. If you missed any of the episodes on this playlist, I'll put those up on the screen. And then lastly, if I can build a bike, and so can you. Cheers.